Hello, Longesa. Today I'm gonna go shopping with my sister in Korean store in Telegraph, Berkeley, California. It's called KP Market. A lot of watermelon. You don't need pushing cart.
I do.
Pushing cart. Wait.
Yeah, can you grab a cup? Okay.
Okay, let's
Should
go
you have here when
in.
you're done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How much? $4.99. Kram bun $4.99. Oh, olive oil $6.99. Oh, look at those whiskey. Is it cheap?
Yeah, chú đón thế nè, nhưng mà nó không.
Oh, she said it's
Oh,
cheap. It's
got it. Sit there, oh, okay.
$6.99.
You want one for your house? I get for you.
No,
Yeah, this one for
no,
your
I
house?
just eat with you. I just want one only, one piece only. I'm not really a big fan.
No?
This one, my coworker love it. Like,
Yeah, it's good.
it's good. Lots of fruit. Oh, Namian people grow a lot of this now. $4.99 each. Oh, it's crowded today, huh?
Yeah.
This one cheap too. Logan.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, this one a lot of Thailand have. You guys see this? How much? $5.99. Not bad. Yeah, not too not bad. And then this one $7.99. Not bad.
Yeah, this is Sabrina's favorite. She says her favorite, so I'm going to give her.
Okay, she's gonna buy her coworker one. And look at this kind of grape. And this is plum.
She's doing sweet.
Plum. The lady wanna go through. Let me just move out the way for the
Yeah.
lady real quick. Oh, look at how gorgeous this is. Pineapple. $4.99 each. Us Asian people, stop. Can be Pisces. Ooh, look, it's $4.99 a pound. It's on sale. From, it didn't say from where.
They got good time. Like the
Look at the mango. Oh my God, smells so good. Look at this. Look at the kiwi. Oh, the guava is so big. It's a guava season. And then dragon fruit. $2.99 a pound. Go by pound. Ooh, I like that. Pineapple. $1.49 pound. Papaya. Sis, can you buy me one papaya salad? Papaya? I have no money.
No, yeah, if you want to just get it, I'll get it for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Nắng hú. Not for the Bruce nha, lọt lọt tới mà.
Nhìn á. Nhìn tôi á.
Okay.
Banana. All the vegetable. All the pickle. I love this pickle. I like to do my salad with this pickle. This pickle is also good. This pickle is so good. So good. Okay, more vegetable coming. He's refilling vegetable. Two eggplant for $2.55. No, here. What is this? Oh, tomato.
Tomatillo.
Tomato. Can you eat them now?
No, you roast it and you make salsa.
Salsa. What do you need? Oh, the seafood's over here? Oh, look at all this vegetable. Oh, those are the dry food. What's your mom stuff? Okay. Seafood. Wow, so fresh. So big. Oyster. stuff.
Oh, this is much the oyster.
Okay. Okay, you wanna know how much? I tell you. $5.99 a pound. $5.99 a pound. Oyster is 99 cents each.
Yeah. Let's get some.
Okay. We're gonna
Grill
grill some oyster.
Yeah.
Oyster. 99 cents each. Big. Very big. Oh, this one they open for you already.
Yeah.
Hi, thank you for working so hard. Thank you. This is my beautiful niece. She's so beautiful. Can you say hi? Thank you. I'm gonna go around. Look, oh, more lynchy. Okay, I'm gonna leave my sister. Look at all the meals. Look at all this chili powder. Chili powder. Okay, I use this for Knong Fun and it's $4.99, so I have to take one. This is what I use. This is the brand I use. Okay, I take one. But look at all this stuff. So many stuff that I don't even know how to use, cook. I'm too lazy, okay? I'm not gonna go all the way, but I'm gonna show you guys. Look at all the noodle. We Asian people, we love noodle. Noodle so good. What's that? Look at this, all the goodies. Those are smell so good when you buy it. Your mouth feel good. All the candy. This is like the Asian candy, the Japanese, the Korean. Oh, this is Korean stuff, Korean candy. Butter.
Do you want more than that?
You want more than that? And then the oil over there and the dry fruit over there. But I'm gonna skip. I just want to show you guys the cool stuff. This is like the cool stuff that I like. I eat the cool stuff. I eat the unhealthy stuff. Ooh, what are those? Damn, there's a giant ass squid. $4.99 a pound. So it's about $6. How much is this? We didn't have price. This is the frozen stuff. I don't recognize a lot of this fish. Okay, I will take you guys to this side. Oh, look at that yellow corn. I have the corn from my house. Ooh, look at all those cool stuff. That if you don't want to cook, just pop one of this in your air fry and you're good to go. Wow. Wow. Well. Ooh, we are here at the mid-side. Look at this meat. Look at all this. This is, you know, you do hot pot. It's always slight thin. See, like thin. This is considered thin. That's good for hot pot. And this is good for grill, like when you do Korean barbecue grills. My ass broke. I can't afford to buy none of this, even though I want to eat. See, for hot pot or grill, see, $13 is already thin. Like those, very thin. Like this. So expensive. I don't have money. I would buy all this and this and this, but I have no money, and I'm okay. Sometimes you have no money, no problem. Don't even worry. Move on. Whoa, bone Miller, more meat, more Korean barbecue stuff. $14, $11, $18. See, you guys know this one when you guys go Korean barbecue store. Ooh, baby shrimps, giant shrimp. Oh, they are famous. Oh, look at this. This is what my sister came for. $24.99 a box. $1 has 2 pounds. She liked those. My sister loved those. Oh, look at lobster. 2 tail for $26. This, I don't know. Oh, soft crab. Soft crab look like this. Abalone meat look like this. Abalone meat. More, this is with abalone. Scallops. Okay, we're gonna go pay. Ooh, kimchi! Look at all this big kimchi. We love this stuff. This is so
You want,
delicious.
Beef bowl soup with
How much this will cost her? We don't know. Let's find out. Let's go check out.
Why you
All this stuff is ready to eat. They are so good. So good, so good. Look at this. I love those. Ooh. This one is already cooked and warm. You just pick a bag and go. Japchae and lunch block. And then over here they have bread for you to buy. Get. Oh, that looks good. Hot pot. You do hot pot though. We prep for you hot pot. Is that cheap or expensive? I don't know. Okay, we're checking out now.
No, honey, I have it. Sorry, I'll back in.
Hold my camera for me. 100. Oh, the total is 100. We are checking out. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.